Because you are watching this video, I'm going to give you a copy-paste side hustle 100% free. You will have the products to sell, and I'll even show you how to sell them. So stick around to the end of this video and you will never have to worry about being broke again. You see, big tech companies have this strategy that I'm about to tell you mastered. They have it mastered so well that Amazon alone made $4 billion last year with one of their product lines. So what am I talking about right here? I'm talking about licensing. Whenever you license a product, understand that you are selling a product that's not even yours, but it has your name on it. What you do is you license the products, put your brand name on it, and sell them to your audience. That's how Amazon do it with Amazon Basics. That's how Walmart do it with some of their products. That's how Whole Foods do it, Costco, and many other billion-dollar corporations. They don't create products on their own. They license those products, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. Now, of course, I don't have no physical products to give you, but what I do have to give you are digital products. So if you don't know, I am the founder of PLR Hustle. PLR Hustle is a PLR company, aka private label rights company, that allows people to purchase digital products and resell as their own. So in this video, I'm going to actually give you a few digital products, teach you how to promote them so you can have a side hustle that's going to help you scale to $270 a day and beyond. So what I'm going to show you how to do is I'm going to show you how to sell a $27 digital product 10 times a day. Step 1, go to plrhustle.com and choose a product that can be sold for $27. Now, the beautiful thing about this is almost every product on plrhustle.com, as you can see, scanning through all of our products right here, almost each and every one of these products can be sold for $27 or more. Some can even be sold for as much as $99. And all you have to do is choose a niche, then choose a product that you want to sell within your niche, and any product that you purchase from PLR Hustle, you have the legal right to resell that ebook or that product as your own. Now, of course, I'm going to give you 3 free ebooks, but the ebooks I'm going to give you are going to be randomized. After you make the purchase, you will be able to download whatever item that you purchase from PLR Hustle to start reselling. The next step you want to do is you want to open your ebook store. Now, if you go to plrhustle-selfie.com, you will be able to start an ebook store. Last but not least, create content around your products. Now, whenever you are in a certain niche, it does not matter what niche you are in, you want to focus on content creation. Now, a lot of people, I understand, hate this part, but it's super easy and you don't even have to show your face most of the time. Now, let's say you build an Instagram account and you have, let's say, 30 to 50 posts on there. Well, you can start boosting those posts. You can link your URL, your store URL within a post, like a viral quote, and you can boost that to your target audience. Now, I would say this is the easiest way to get 10 sales a day because I tested this with a brand new store, with a brand new niche, with new products that I've never even promoted before. I simply built the Instagram account. I made sure there was 30 posts on there so the account looked good and full. And I chose a few different posts. It was 3 different posts. I chose and I boosted all 3 of these posts. I was selling the ebook for $27 and I ended up getting it to 3 sales a day in less than a week. So that's $27 times 3 sales a day that I was getting in under 7 days. So if you want to copy that strategy, you can definitely do that. Make sure your Instagram account is looking good. Instagram is probably the only thing you need if you want to scale to 10 sales a day at $27 a sale, which is $270 every single day. The beautiful thing about this is you don't even have to spend more than $20 a day on an ad. So let's say if you get 10 sales a day and make $270 and you only spent $20 to $25 on that ad. Well, if you ask me, that's a pretty good return on your investment. So boosting posts with Instagram is going to be a very, very straightforward way to 10 sales a day. I'm going to be making so much more content about this. I just want to show you a very straightforward way to get to 10 sales a day at $27 a sale so you can be on your way to making 6 figures a year by licensing products. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Comment below, let me know what you thought about this video. Give this video a thumbs up and I will catch you very soon in my next video.